At high Reynolds numbers, the first wall damping function becomes A1, B1, C0, D. The correct answer is 1. Near the wall, the first wall damping function tends to A1, B1, C0, D. The correct answer is 0. The Spalart Allmaras model differs from the Reynolds equations by A4 extra transport equations, B1 extra transport equation, C2 extra transport equations, D3 extra transport equations. The correct answer is 1 extra transport equation. The transport equation in the Spalart Allmaras model is for the transport of A. Kinematic eddy viscosity parameter, B. Kinematic eddy viscosity, C. Dynamic eddy viscosity parameter, D. Dynamic eddy viscosity. The correct answer is kinematic eddy viscosity parameter. The rate of production of the kinematic eddy viscosity parameter is related to A. Rate of dissipation of kinetic energy, B. Turbulence frequency, C. Vorticity, D. Kinetic energy. The correct answer is vorticity. The first wall damping function in the Spalart Allmaras model is a function of A. The product of the dynamic eddy viscosity parameter and the dynamic eddy viscosity, B. The ratio of the dynamic eddy viscosity parameter and the dynamic eddy viscosity, C. The product of the kinematic eddy viscosity parameter and the kinematic eddy viscosity, D. The ratio of the kinematic eddy viscosity parameter and the kinematic eddy viscosity. The correct answer is the ratio of the kinematic eddy viscosity parameter and the kinematic eddy viscosity. The Spalart Allmaras model is best suited for A. Turbulent jet flows, B. Turbulent mixing layers, C. Turbulent boundary layers with slight pressure gradients, D. Turbulent boundary layers with adverse pressure gradients. The correct answer is turbulent boundary layers with adverse pressure gradients. In the Spalart Allmaras model, the dynamic eddy viscosity in terms of the kinematic eddy viscosity parameter V is given by note F1 is the wall damping function and is the density of flow. AVF1, BVF1, CF1V, DVF1. The correct answer is VF1.